Hello, everyone, and a very warm welcome back to Confidence in English. I'm Anna.
And I'm Tom. Around this time of year, a beautiful and vibrant festival is celebrated by millions of people in India and all around the world. We're talking about Diwali.
That's right. It's also known as the Festival of Lights, and it's a time of joy, celebration, and family. Even if you don't celebrate it yourself, you will likely hear people talking about it.
So today, we're going to teach you the essential English vocabulary and phrases you need to understand and talk about Diwali with confidence.
Part 1. What is Diwali?
So, what is Diwali at its core? The simplest explanation is that it is the Festival of Lights. It's a 5-day festival, and the name Diwali comes from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means rows of lighted lamps.
The festival generally symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. People light up their homes and their hearts with hope for the year ahead.
Part 2. Key Diwali vocabulary.
Let's learn some keywords. First, and most important, are diyas. A diya is a small clay lamp, usually filled with oil that people light and place all around their homes.
Next is Rangoli. A Rangoli is a beautiful and intricate art pattern created on the floor, often near the entrance of a house, using materials like colored rice, flour, sand, or flower petals.
Of course, you will also see and hear a lot of fireworks and firecrackers. These are set off to express joy and to ward off evil spirits.
Families also perform a puja. This word means an act of worship or prayer, usually done at home to honor deities.
And finally, no festival is complete without food. A very important part of Diwali is sharing sweets, which in Hindi are often called mithai.
Part 3. Useful English phrases for Diwali.
Now, how can you use these words in a conversation? The most important phrase is the greeting. You can simply say to someone, Happy Diwali.
If you want to describe what people do, you can say, during Diwali, many people decorate their homes with diyas and rangoli.
If you want to ask someone about their plans, you could ask, How are you celebrating Diwali this year?
And if you're at someone's home, they might offer you food by saying, please, have some sweets. Part 4. Let's role play. Let's imagine I'm asking Anna about her family's celebrations in India. Hi Anna, I know Diwali is coming up soon. How does your family usually celebrate?
Hi, Tom. It's a really big celebration for us. We start by cleaning the entire house. Then, on the main day, we decorate the entrance with a beautiful rangoli and light dozens of diyas all around the home in the evening.
That sounds wonderful. Do you do anything else?
Yes, we perform a short puja together as a family, and then we share lots of delicious food and sweets. The kids usually get excited about the fireworks later.
Well, it sounds like an amazing time. Happy Diwali to you and your family.
Thank you, Tom.
Part 5. Final lesson review.
That was a great overview. Let's quickly review the 5 key words. Diya, a small oil lamp. Rangoli, a colorful art pattern made on the floor. Fireworks, explosives used for celebration. Puja, an act of worship or prayer. Sweets, special sugary foods for the festival.
And the most important phrase to remember is Happy Diwali. Thank you for joining us today to learn about this beautiful festival.
We would love to hear about a special festival that you celebrate. Tell us about it in the comments below. We'll see you in the next lesson.
And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.